Hi there, my name is Brandon with Thomson Heating and Air Conditioning. We're a heating and air conditioning contractor in Southern California, and today I'm going to show you the importance of installing a mini split rough-in box when your house is under heavy remodel, when you have open studs. This is a great opportunity to conceal the infrastructure that's associated with the mini split system, the refrigerant line set, the control wiring, and the condensation drain line inside the wall of your home, so you don't have exteriorly exposed line set covers, raceways that hide that infrastructure on the outside of your home. So this right here is what's called a mini split rough-in box. This will get installed in the wall, and we will run our infrastructure into this box, including the drain line off of this unit inside the wall, penetrating through the exterior wall to where the condenser is going to be installed. Very frequently here in Southern California, there's a lot of ADUs being constructed, and mini splits are a great option for ADUs. We come in during the rough construction phase of the project and install all of the infrastructure concealed using this magic device right here. There's a faceplate that gets cut out. All of our infrastructure goes into this box for us to connect to at a later date. We install this faceplate once we have that infrastructure installed, and it has a 1/2-inch plaster ground for the drywall to butt up to. So once it's all said and done, you'll just see this face with drywall all the way around it, but inside this box will be all of the infrastructure we're going to connect the equipment to during finished construction phase. We'll then be able to come and just set the equipment to the already installed infrastructure. How you protect that infrastructure as it goes through the exterior wall. So this company, Titan, makes these amazing flashing style eyebrows. This will get bolted onto the exterior wall, and our infrastructure is going to come out in future for us to connect to. We'll have to extend some of the copper and control wiring and such to connect to the condenser, but it will all already be installed and ready for us at that point. So doing the job in this manner will provide a very clean, built-in look of this mini split system for this home office.